Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I'm just doing a quick update. Oh, sorry about that. Jeez. Just doing a quick update on my group build. This is the Street Machine Group Build 2025 hosted by Jason over at Blocks Monoshop. This is the Mobius Restomod Nova. First Mobius kit for me, but I just have it in paint, and I just wanted to share that. So what I use, the main paint is Tamiya TS47 Chrome Yellow, and then I used, I've always wanted to paint Ghost Flames. I always want to try that. So what I did was I used it's called the Lazy Modeler. They're flame masks, and I picked them up from Iceman Collections. So you've got a bunch of different ones on there. Really easy to use. You just have to make sure that your base coat is dried for a while. Now the main color on the flames, I used Scale Finishes Solid Pearl Fort Knox, which is a yellowish gold, like a gold color. And then what I did on top of that, because you can see some of the flames have like a little bit darker tinge to them at the ends, and what I use is this Deep Forest Pearl. So it was very lightly sprayed on there. And as with all of my builds, it seems, just about, not all of them, but almost all of them, there was a slight accident after I painted it, and I dropped, I think it was a, it might have been, I don't remember. I think it was a charger that fell off the shelf on top of it, and did a couple of dings in it there. So I've decided that I don't want to try and repaint just to fix those little dings. So I'm going to leave them and just go with the flow. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to clear this. I kind of like the look of the flames being a little bit of a flat color, because it's a base coat, and the body being shiny. So I haven't decided completely if I'm going to clear it or not. I don't know yet. And if I do clear it, it'll be with Honey Clear. The Scale Finish is Honey Clear. We went on a trip. We were in Yellowstone, Grand Teton, and Glacier National Parks over the past week for about 9 days. Up in Big Sky. We didn't get to see Joe over there, but we did see his side of the country. Beautiful country out there. So we just got back on Tuesday, so I'm trying to catch up on things. So anyway, this is my update on this. I do have some announcements that I'm going to be coming out with shortly in another video. Yeah. So with that being said, I'm going to stop this video now, and I will be making some more videos. So you guys have a great day. Have an awesome weekend. Hope you're taking care of yourselves and your families. Get some bench time. And most of all, be kind. Alright? Take care.